Nityanandam. Today we are going to see what all is needed for the Uttamottama Seva after we do the Abhishekam, and for the Alankaram what all is needed, how many of each piece of cloth, and all the details we are going to see. So while the Uttamottama Seva is going on, one of the floor towels must be there in front of the deity so that the ground does not get wet. All the water which falls from the ground, from the deity to the floor, we can easily wipe it with this. And we should not, what we use to wipe the floor, we should not wipe it in the Garbha Mandir. So that's why we have two towels. One is to, after the Abhishekam, once we push all the water out, we should use one more towel and wisely wipe the floor. And then we need three towels, as we have three Bhogamurtis, Ambal, Meru and Swamiji. We have to have three small towels to wipe them. Then one more is the big towel for Moolavar, so that we can wipe Moolavar after the Abhishekam. Make sure that there's no powder sticking here and there on top of Moolavar or anywhere. Nicely wash him with at least 3-4 kodams of water. Next we have the Chandrakali, which is the inner of the deity. So for Devi we need to have, one is the blouse, under the blouse the one cloth, and one more is for the bottom, so that like after the next day when we like do the Abhishekam, we don't need to put the cloth on the deity that time. While inside itself, like how ladies put an inskirt inside the sari, like that we'll be having two pieces. One is for the top and one is for the bottom. Next is for Devi. This will be the skirt for Devi. And one more we can have, if we want a border or another nice cloth, we can use it for the top part of Devi's sari. Next we should have 4 pieces of cloth for Swamiji. One is the turban cloth. Next is the Suttu Parivettam, which is like the belt of the dress, and one of the Angavastram, and then the dhoti. Make sure all these are ironed the previous day. In this video we are mainly seeing what has to be ready the previous day for the Uttamottama Seva, which we are going to do the next day. And one more is for Meru. For Meru, basically how we'll have is, we'll just put a fleece, and then in the middle, this is one style. In the middle we can put a pin here and then pull on both the sides cloth. So in the middle alone fleets will be there, and then we'll just put a pin in the middle alone, like for 2-3 fleets, and then on the side we'll leave the cloth so that it'll go on both sides of Meru. If it's very easy, we have things stitched and ready-made. Now we see like this dhoti is not stitched. It has just been folded and nicely ironed, so it will be little more difficult. But if we have the equipment and all the material we can stitch, then we can put velcro, like how we have put velcro for the Angastram. Like that we can put velcro and then make it more easy. And next is the dress. So for linga mainly we'll need 3 pieces of cloth. One is the dhoti, one is the turban cloth, and one is the shawl. So for linga always we must have a V shawl. If you have Sheshavastram, it will be good. You can put it for your linga, it will look more nice, it will look more traditional. And if you have this, if you have like any other normal sarees, then it will be okay. You have to just make sure it's 6-meter cloths, and the cloth should be ironed the previous day. Sheshavastram is for Venkateshwara, usually they'll put Sheshavastram. It'll be like a 9-yard saree. The Sheshavastrams are 9-yard sarees, and they'll have a very big border. It'll be like this much, like almost like you can say 4 to 5 inches big. It'll be the border around, and that saree is like pakka traditional saree, which we can use. So if you have Sheshavastram, you can use the Sheshavastram. And if you want to see like more pictures of how Sheshavastram is, you can even search it online. Just put Sheshavastram and you will see a lot of pictures of how it looks. Otherwise you can use the normal saree. So we have just chosen green as our base. So we'll have this green as the turban, and we'll have this one. So this light color and dark color will contrast, and it will be a nice match. So these are the main alankaram, and after abhishekam and things and cloths that we need for Uttamottama Seva. All this will be available, should be available, and if it's not there, please find it before day and make sure that the before day all this is there and what all is needed is bought. Thank you, Nityanandam.